15, 2021, an officer witnessed a male walking alongside a woman who had an active no-contact order against him. The officer recognized the man from an earlier incident and decided to intervene.
Come here. What are you walking away for?
I continue walking.
I know.
Why am I being stopped?
Because you're on probation.
Yes.
And one of your conditions is you can't be near her.
I'm not anywhere near her. I was right in front of her.
Stop it, my man.
Sir, I was right in front of her.
Who's your PO?
I don't know yet.
What do you mean you don't know?
I have my first appointment tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
But you signed the paperwork.
I'm not technically not near her. I wasn't talking to her. I wasn't doing
Bro,
nothing.
you guys were
no
walking
contact.
side by side
I had no
on US
contact.
1. Alright, come over here. Let me see if I can call your
That's
PO.
not right. That's not right.
Are you in handcuffs?
No, but still, you're just going to try to arrest me now?
No, right there in front of my car. Over here.
No, you're going to try to arrest me now.
For what? I gotta call your PO and see if you're allowed to be around her.
No, I'm not. You know I'm not allowed around her, but I wasn't even looking at her.
You guys were walking side by side on US 1.
Did you see me talking to her though?
Doesn't matter.
That's not
You can't.
contact. No.
Stop it.
That is not contact. If I'm sitting here walking,
Stop
that's not contact.
No, not here. You went in front of her. Back there, you guys were side by
I
side.
still never talked to her.
Okay, just relax here.
No,
Let me call you.
right. No,
who's your PO?
You guys are gonna arrest me. I don't know who my PO is.
Well, I'm gonna pull the paperwork and see.
No, you're gonna see, but you're gonna go and arrest me.
I'm gonna call them and see.
All I was doing, I was walking right in front.
No, you're walking
As
side by
you pulled
side.
me over, I was walking right.
Well,
in front.
yeah, but when I first saw you, you were walking side by
You guys
side.
cannot arrest me. I was not talking to her. I did
You
nothing
can't have
to her.
any contact with her.
There was no contact.
You're walking side by side with her,
Okay,
bro.
passing
Come on.
her.
No, not
Yes,
passing her.
I passed her.
On US
Let me
1.
see the camera footage then.
All right, put your hands behind your back.
No, see, you
Put your
can't
hands behind your
arrest
back.
me. You can't
Put your
arrest
hands
me.
behind your back. Don't
How are you
resist.
gonna arrest me?
Don't resist.
How can you arrest me?
Don't resist.
No, you gotta ask me. No,
Don't resist.
No, sir. How
Put
can
your
you
hands
arrest me?
behind your back.
How can you arrest me?
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not fighting. I didn't do
Raymond,
nothing wrong.
put your hands behind your back.
No, it's not resisting. How are you guys arresting me?
110, 669.
How you guys arresting me?
Put your hands behind your back.
No, how you guys arresting me?
Raymond,
How you guys arresting me?
put your hands behind your back.
No. Then would you let me
I
go?
need a counting unit as well.
Let me go. I will be fine.
Put your hands behind your back. Quit tensing up.
I'm not tensing.
Do it now.
Okay, so I'll call police brutality if you guys slam me to the ground because I'm not.
Put your arms behind your back.
I'm not resisting.
Oh! Police brutality!
Police.
You're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back.
Police brutality.
Put your hands behind your back.
Tase me.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Listen, you
Put your
can't
hands behind your back.
I've been stabbed. You can't.
Put your hands behind your back.
You cannot tase.
Do it now.
Sir, you can't tase me.
Put your hands behind your
You
back.
can't tase me. I'll have a lawsuit.
Put your hands behind your back.
You can't tase me.
Put your hands behind your back.
Police brutality. Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Police
Back up. Back up.
brutality. Babe, put this on camera. Police brutality.
You're already on camera.
I've just been tased. I've just been tased. Police brutality. Camera. Now. Camera.
I'm trying.
Now. They just tased me. I've been stabbed. I was not resisting. He tripped
Yes, you
me.
were.
Put it on camera now, babe.
I'm putting it on camera.
Quickly
Back
now.
up. Back up.
No, you can't do nothing. She can go ahead and videotape this. They just tased
110,
me.
male secure.
I am on. I have
Rescue,
been
please,
stabbed
for,
a few years ago.
taser
I have trauma. They tased me. And they tripped me. I was not being resistant.
Officer, can I get my wallet?
No. If it's on him, no.
Give her her
No.
wallet.
Staying on
I
you.
will kick you with my foot. Give me her
You're not
wallet.
gonna kick anyone.
Give me her wallet.
No, if it's on you, it goes to
Give
Julie.
me my wallet.
You're under arrest.
My ID.
Give you your wallet. We will.
Give me my wallet.
Yeah, your wallet will
Give
go
it
with
to
you.
her.
No, it doesn't work like that.
No, you have to give her what I
No,
tell
I
you.
don't.
Okay, good. So now I can go ahead and sit there and have another lawsuit.
Go
Tase
ahead.
me again.
Don't tense
Tase
up
me
on
again.
me.
Tase me.
Don't tense
again.
up on me.
Tase me again. I will kick you in your shit. Tase me again. I dare you.
The male's alleged girlfriend was 12 weeks pregnant with twins and had gotten a no-contact order issued against him because he wasn't allowing her to seek medical treatment.
Yes, he's under arrest.
I'm under arrest for what?
Violation of your probation.
Oh, yeah?
Resisting arrest.
Oh, yeah? For what, you stupid cracker? For what, you stupid cracker?
How long is it going to be in there?
It don't matter how
It's a
long
no
I'm
bond,
in
it
there
doesn't matter.
for. Because I'm going to have a lawsuit on this stupid
Yeah.
What's your name and your badge
Sergeant
number.
Weaver, you know me.
No, write that shit down.
I was the one who saved your life when your guts were hanging out of you.
You didn't save my fucking life. You was one of the people that posted talking shit, you stupid f***er.
Remember when you got stabbed and your guts were hanging out? Yeah, that was me. That was me who pushed them back.
Keep talking about that.
Don't kill me.
PTSD! PTSD! Bring it back past memories! PTSD!
No, back up.
Don't tell my daughter to back up.
Everything goes with him.
She's videotaping all your shit. She's videotaping all your shit.
Everything goes with him.
Tell her to back up. This shit getting posted on Facebook too. Make you look like shit, you stupid fucking Jew. Get me out. Get me in that fucking car and do your job.
Car just pulled up.
I don't give a about your stupid car.
You
Move
just
before I elbow you in your fucking nuts.
You just asked to get the car, didn't you?
Move before I elbow you in your nuts.
Wait, don't.
Why are you gonna catch a battery LEO?
I don't give a because you tased me for no reason.
I didn't tase you for no reason.
Yeah, you did. I was not resisting and you tased me. I was not resisting and you tased me.
Yeah, you were.
No, I was not resisting.
Everything was on camera, Raymond.
Alright, then I want to see that camera footage because I was not
resisting.
resisting.
Right here, don't worry.
I was not fighting you guys. You guys tripped me. I did nothing wrong.
Yep.
You guys cannot arrest me for sitting there saying something. You guys can't just pull up on me for no reason at all.
When it's part of your probation, then you can't be around her.
Then you should be arresting her too because we both have one against each other, you stupid If you knew what it really was, you're a dumbass.
Well, she can go to jail too then. Thanks for telling us. Apparently she might have one too, so maybe she needs to go to jail also.
See, you guys really think you guys are gonna keep us apart? You guys are gonna keep.
Hey, I'm not the one that agreed to probation.
No, you guys
are
gonna keep putting me in jail. Guess what? I'm still going back to this woman regardless.
You're also gonna go to jail for threatening a law enforcement officer by saying you're gonna kill me.
Oh yeah?
Yep.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Then I guess I should go ahead and do something to actually get. Then I should do something to actually give you a reason to put a charge on me, huh? Huh?
Come on.
Huh? Huh?
Come on.
What? What's up then?
Huh?
What's up? Pull your taser now.
Huh?
Pull your taser now. Pull your taser
pull him
now.
back?
Yeah. Pull your taser now.
You want him at my car?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull your taser now so I can kick you. Give you. What you gonna do? Slam me. Slam me. Come on.
You did that, not us.
Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. What? I'm a crazy ass fucking white boy. You think I care? No. That shit. Get your nuts off my hands. Sexual assault.
Just stop.
And disrespect. Get your hand off me. I'll bite you.
Just shut
up.
Let me grab a spit mask.
Dumb.
Okay.
Don't with me. Oh, they just slammed my head into the car.
Yeah, my
They
camera's
slammed my head into the car.
We know that's a lie too.
They slammed it in the car. Post this on Facebook, babe. Post this shit on Facebook. You ain't spreading shit.
Cut the shit.
No, you ain't spreading nothing. What are you doing?
Don't move.
No, I'm gonna move.
Stop resisting.
No, I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. You have no reason to arrest me. I didn't do anything.
Open your feet back up.
No. Open your feet. No. What, you gonna drop me to the floor? Give me more police brutality evidence against you. Give me more. Come on, give me more.
I think a prone search might be safe.
Give me more. Honda. Oh, what, you putting a bag over my head now?
It's just a spit guard.
Spit guard, so you don't spit on us, Raymond.
What the am I gonna spit on you for? You guys are stupid.
Like to do prone. I can't get in there from here.
Well, why? Because you don't want people to see it. Raymond! 1794! That is my identity. That's why they put this shit on my face. Put it on the motherfucking media. But now, police brutality, not resisting.
We're with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office, just so you know. Okay.
During the search, an assisting officer located a metal pipe with burnt cannabis residue in his back pocket, and he also caused $1,500 worth of damage to the patrol vehicle.
Hey!
Can you open your feet up for me, bud?
No.
Alright, are you gonna let us search you or no?
No.
Okay, then you're gonna go on leg shackles, you understand? Huh?
I can still go ahead and fight with those on.
Okay.
You guys are
They should be in my front right door.
There's nothing even left in my pockets, you stupid
Well, I have to make sure.
And you don't need my legs to be spread for that because their pants are too tight. You're not going to get in them anyway. Why do you think they're loose?
You had them open just a minute ago.
Yeah, with me standing like this. I'm not making shit easy for you guys because you guys did something that was stupid.
What's that? What'd we do?
Whoop-de-doo, I passed my girl. So what? That's not contact. I passed and kept walking straight. You pulled a taser and I was not resisting arrest.
I did not. I just got here.
Your two people pulled a taser. You're
Alpha,
Okay.
Bravo, India, November.
You guys are all
female.
Okay.
You guys got the media here now too.
Who's the media?
Oh, it has this many cops just for you guys to go and take care of one individual?
Well, you're
Oh,
not
wonderful.
cooperating.
That shows how pussy you motherfuckers are, man.
Okay, Remy.
Learn to fight your little one-on-one battles yourselves.
Okay.
And you're gonna go ahead and try to get me for threatening. Oh,
Okay.
whoop-de-doo, I threatened an officer. So fucking what?
That's against the law.
Yeah? Guess what? It's not a felony either. It's a misdemeanor.
Okay. Resisting arrest with violence is a felony.
Guess what? Yeah, where's the violence? Because I didn't swing on you or nothing.
You don't have to.
Nope, that's still violence.
No.
Violence is what you guys were doing, not me.
You don't have to.
Nope, you guys did the violence. So you want to go ahead and put me on resisting arrest for violence? Could be my guest. I'll beat it. Because it'll show that I was not resisting and you tripped me.
Are you not even wearing underwear?
No, I'm not.
Gross, bro.
Gross my ass. Keep talking shit.
On solid paraphernalia and
I see any other numbers here. Me stay there. I have every right to look at your car numbers so I can go ahead and get you guys.
No, try not to choke you with your handkerchief.
Cutting it?
Yep.
I'm gonna murder the out of you motherfuckers.
It's around your neck. We're not gonna.
Doesn't matter. You cut it. You asshole.
You can't kick me. Now you kick me.
No, I didn't
Battery
kick
LEO.
you.
You kicked
All right,
him.
where's the proof? Because I went right here.
Nope.
How did I kick you?
Now you're
How did
up,
I
now
kick
you got a battery
No,
LEO, Raymond.
Nope, because I didn't kick you.
3 people saw
I did not kick you. That was not 3. I did not kick you.
Nope.
This
Now you got a
stopped,
battery
and
LEO.
that was a chain. That was not me.
Now you got a battery LEO, Raymond.
You didn't. See, now you're lying because
No, you
you're
kicked
fucking
forward.
officers.
You kicked
All
forward,
right,
and your
what's
leg
your
went back.
badge number 2? Because I'm gonna get your ass in court too.
He's a commander.
I'm getting all you in court.
Can't wait, Raymond.
Nope, I'm getting all you in court because I'm beating it all. Watch.
Hey, he also
Get off
commander.
the fucking chain
Shut up, face it.
now.
I'm not getting off
Shut
the
up
chain.
for what?
Not getting off
Shut
the
up.
chain.
You telling me to shut up?
No,
Make me
not getting
shut
off
up.
the chain.
I still have my head.
Okay,
You got
that's
a neck brace too?
No. Why would I do
You
that?
got a neck shackle too? Because I'll
Just
headbutt
making
you.
kick me again, that's all. Standing on the chain.
No, because I didn't
You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dented it with his forehead.
Where's the dent?
I don't know.
I don't see a dent.
Right in front of your
I don't see no
face.
dent.
my car,
There is no dent.
The sheriff just
no
got
dent.
this too.
There is
Brand
no.
new one.
You did that, you stupid. You slammed my head there.
On camera.
You
You're
did
on
that.
camera, Raymond.
No, it's on camera that he pushed my head there.
No, you didn't.
You did.
No, you ran up and you smashed your own head onto it.
You did.
And Officer
Yeah.
Hershey's hand's there to prevent you
You're a
from doing
liar.
it again.
You did it. You did it anyway.
Raymond, do you have any injuries that the ambulance needs to check out?
Yeah, definitely from you.
Okay.
What injury?
From getting
Sure,
drives
from
done?
getting tased and from you tripping me.
What's the injury?
What's the injury?
No,
What's
you
the
can
complaint?
kiss my ass. No.
Here, do you wanna
No,
kiss
you're
my
gonna sit there and try to act like you were helping me. You ain't trying to help shit. You. I don't want none of y'all services. Y'all can go yourselves. I hope y'all get corona. Die.
It's not us, it's fire
I
rescue.
don't give a I hope they die too.
You don't want to see him? Okay.
You said no.
Okay.
I didn't say no.
You just
but guess
did.
What? But guess
You
what?
just said you don't want any
You can die from
services.
corona too, you
Thank you guys.
Thank you, guys.
The male was on the local news 6 years ago when he was the victim of a stabbing outside a Pizza Hut. His assailant was convicted of aggravated battery and served almost 4 years in prison. One of the people who tended to the male's wounds immediately after the stabbing was the same reporting officer in this incident.
elbow.
Did you just hit me again?
Oh, so you gonna call it a hit again? That wasn't a hit. Nice try, you. That's how I know you was lying about the first one.
Raymond, are you going to let us check your pockets before we get you in the car?
You gonna put me on the ground again? Good, because I'll go ahead and have more
We won't
evidence
put you on the
against
ground
you.
if you don't let us
Do
search
it.
you.
I'll make sure I slam my face so hard.
Okay, are you going to let us check your pockets before we put you in the car?
You.
I'd like to do it standing up so we don't
No,
have to back
you.
down to the ground.
Okay. Do you
All
want to
right.
go on the ground and do it, or standing up?
You wanna go ahead and put me to the ground? Feel free.
I mean, we will if we have to,
guys
but you
wanna
have
do
to
it?
be searched.
Because obviously,
Okay.
you guys like roughing me up.
Okay, you have
You
to be
guys
searched.
like with the Glass family. So
Okay,
you know
Raymond.
what? You can go yourself. Put me
Okay.
on the ground. I dare you.
Okay. Well, I saved your life a few years ago, so I don't.
You didn't
with you.
save shit.
I mean, you're.
My big bro John saved me because he
No.
called you guys. You guys didn't save shit.
I was the one pushing your organs back inside.
You weren't the one pushing my organs. It was another buddy of mine, and that was Jamie.
no, it was-
Nice try.
Can you let me check all your pockets standing up? I just like to.
I know.
I know.
Who saved
for
my life.
pushing
Stop
his
lying
back
to me.
in.
You didn't save my
First one there, Raymond.
You were not the first one.
Yes,
there.
I was.
The ambulance was there way before you.
No.
Yes, it was.
I was there within 10 seconds.
No,
of the
you
call.
weren't.
Okay.
You were not.
Okay, Raymond. Are you gonna let us check your pockets or no? So we can speed up the process?
Your speed up. You guys ain't gonna get it without a hassle.
All right,
y'all
just
already
lean back
trying to. You
just a
guys
little
are
bit.
already trying to hit
Just
me
a
with
little
the
bit.
battery on a Leo.
Just a little
so
bit.
guess what? No, you.
Okay.
Because I didn't even kick this.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Go ahead and kick me with it then. Whatever.
You are getting hit
You
with
guys just want to do it. Yeah, you ain't hurting. Stop lying.
You don't have to hurt.
I never even touched you. And I hope that was on the camera
It was
and
on the
everything
entire
else.
time.
If it
The
was
whole
not
time.
on camera, guess what?
You're gonna sue me?
Yeah, I'm definitely suing. I'm
Okay.
suing. So
I know, you said that
and,
about-
and see, you want to bring up my past. You're lucky I don't headbutt you in your shit right now.
Let's
Okay,
take the
Raymond.
other
With
side.
my PTSD, which
Okay,
is also
on,
something that you get.
Come on.
Knock your shit off.
Come on.
You going on this side?
Yeah.
Knock your shit off.
Stop right there.
Stop, Raymond.
So
Don't
can you
tell
pull that
me
out for
to Stop.
Thank you, sir.
Don't
Ready?
tell me to stop.
Just go ahead and have a seat, man.
Don't tell me to sit down.
Hey, can you please just have a seat in my car?
No.
Well, there's two choices. You take a seat or we're going to give you a seat. Yep, perfect. Nope. Okay.
Police brutality! Police brutality! They pulled me and hurt me!
In the
They pulled me by my feet and dropped me!
Get in there.
They threw me in! Police brutality! Police brutality! Police brutality! Move your head. Move your head. Police, he kicked me in my head! Police brutality!
Got you.
Police brutality! Police brutality!
Here, let me put
Police
them up some.
brutality! He's kneeing me in my head! Police brutality!
Pick your head up. Easy, nice and slow.
Police brutality!
Nice and slow. Perfect. Yeah.
Again, I'm gonna say it on the camera. I was not resisting until now. I did nothing wrong and they tased me. And they threw me in the car.
You kicked me, bud.
They kicked me in my head. They kneed me in my head. They pulled my feet out from underneath me, making my head hit the bottom of the doorway of the car. This goes into evidence too.